If you want to adjust notification panel shortcuts in your Nokia G50, you have to open notification panel. Next, you have to tap on this icon. And right now, if you want to change position of an icon, for example, I'm going to put location between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, click, hold, and then drag. And release. You can also remove icons. For example, we are going to get rid of Nearby Share. Click, hold, and then drag below. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. After that, we can go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.